Holy shit. I just never see myself riding that far in a day.
Neither do I. That's
unless you really are like adamant, like I'm gonna wake up at 7 a.m. and go ride as far as I can.
I'm gonna sit there for 8 hours and charge.
Yep. All right, let's do it. Alright everybody, we are going to go try to hit up Spark Social to get some food. Yeah. Wait. Does it go up on the sidewalk there?
Yep.
What's going on here?
Yep.
Have to walk it in?
I don't know. I usually walk it in.
Yeah, you just want some over here somewhere?
Yeah.
All right, we have made it down to Spark Social for food. I don't know if you guys have ever been down here, but it is basically a food truck park. You can see it right here, all the way down there, and then you have like kind of like a tarp here, like a tent, and then all those tables over there. Yep. So we parked our bikes here, and we're gonna go in here and try to find some food. Got Wicked Star. We have Manuka empanadas, which these things actually look pretty delicious.
Of course, ADT and Koja.
We got gyros over here, plates. This all looks very delicious, trying to figure out what we're going to get. I honestly, I want one of these, and I want some of that over there. And I don't know what the hell's over here. What's this?
Powder.
Powder.
Okay, well, you gotta shave next time. Like,
Oh, and then there's shaved snow right here, guys. Look at that.
Anything from here is gonna be fire.
I
The
know.
mommy fries are new. I haven't tried those mommy fries.
Okay, mommy fries. Those do look really good.
The original. If you haven't had one, you need to go with the original before you start fucking around with anything else.
Hello.
There's other drinks like beer.
Oh yeah. There's also beer. So yeah, we'll wait for that. Where's the beer at?
Beer's on the
Probably over there. All right. So I ordered 2 gyros. Gonna get those to go for the lady and I.
That's good too.
Oh god. Oh, that all
That's
looks
gonna
good.
stop your heart.
Man, okay, I don't need any of that right now. Liquor over here, I'm pretty sure. Craft beers. Oh, bacon's down here. Guys, bacon's hands down one of my favorite places. I did not even realize they're over here. Get the bacon barbecue burrito is fucking amazing. Yeah, the California bacon barbecue burrito. Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Very well, very.
Woo! I love this place. Probably one of my favorite food trucks ever is right here. All right, we just got, we have acquired our food to a point. Now we're gonna go over here and get our drinks. This is going to be delicious. Holy shit. Umami fries, and what are those again?
Koja beef burgers.
Koja beef burgers. Where's that? At Spark Social, kind of having first round of dinner. My buddy Matt, and then I got my second round of dinner with my girlfriend when I get home. Come to around here, I just can't find where it is. How's the bike feeling?
Yeah, it feels good.
All right. You're in the right lane. All right, brother. Good luck finding yourself, man.